I often get asked, can I learn trading if I only have $100 to my name? It can be done. It's going to be hard. Have realistic expectations, and I'm going to give you a bunch of tips on how to do it in today's video. Hey everyone, Lead Trading with StocksToTrade, Tim Bohen here. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring that alert bell right next to the subscribe button. I want you to turn on alerts because we do a bunch of videos every week and we do live videos every week. I do Q&A every video. Would love to have you there live, so ring that bell. You've got $100. You're looking to learn trading. It's going to be hard, okay? I'm not going to sugarcoat it for you. It can be done, but it's going to be very, very difficult. And I want you to have those realistic expectations. Now, nothing worth doing comes easy. Some of the best traders over the years have started out basically broke. They worked, they ground, they had a work ethic, they had the eye on the prize, and they got there. Today I'm going to give you some of those best tips to get started. So one of the first things you want to focus on is you need to keep your expenses low as possible, okay? Most of your expenses in trading are going to come from subscription fees, chat rooms, brokerage fees, commissions, borrow fees, etc. like that. So be very diligent. Call your broker, try and get your commissions lowered. If you've got a $100 account, I know a lot of people talk bad about Robinhood and other commission-free brokers, but the simple reality is you probably should be checking those out, because if you're paying $10, $20 round trip, the math doesn't work. Check out those low price brokers or free brokers when you're getting started, and don't discount them. A lot of bigger traders will mock them, but they were where you were one day, and they probably didn't have a resource like some of these free brokers. So check them out, lower your expenses, okay? Try not to, lower your data fees, lower your chat room fees, strip all these costs out so you can focus on keeping your expenses as low as possible. Second thing, and obviously this kind of, is maybe a no-brainer, but be willing to trade small, okay? Now, you're probably like, well, Tim, I got a $100 account. I don't have much choice. But the fact is, you can still make progressive gains with a couple shares if you trade the right stocks, okay? We love these low price stocks because they make big moves. And if you've got a couple shares or 20 shares or 50 shares of a $1 stock and it doubles, triples, quadruples, all of a sudden your $100 account's a $200, $300, $400 account. So don't discount being able to trade small if you focus on the right stocks. Third thing that I think gets overlooked a lot is you can swing trade some of these quote unquote real companies. Now you're probably going to be looking at $20 and under, but one of the great ways to get your feet wet and get that skin in the game, they always say the best time to plant a tree is 20 years ago, the second best time to plant a tree is today. I want you to start testing and actually getting skin in the game. And if you buy a couple shares or 10 shares of a low-priced real company, a stock with a quality chart that's breaking out, making new 52-week highs, maybe it's in a hot sector, you can get the feel and the mechanics as well as entries and exits. So don't think that just because you've got 2 shares, you're not getting better. You're now putting in buys and sells. You're testing out market orders, limit orders. You're getting that 1% better a day. So you can do it. You can set it and forget it to a certain extent on some of these stocks, and you can slowly grow your account over time, swing trading real companies with solid charts and news. Fourth thing I want to talk about is back to reality. Again, somebody somewhere has probably turned a $100 account into a $100,000 account in a year. Somebody somewhere has probably done it. Is that going to be you? Odds are probably not. Your number one goal right now with that $100 account is to learn. okay? We all want to earn, but you got to do one before the other. You're not going to make any money in trading until you've put in the time to learn everything. So have the right mindset. That's what I'm talking about here is don't say, I'm going to get rich tomorrow. I'm going to get rich 2 months from now. I'm even going to get rich next year with a $100 account. It's not going to happen most likely. But you can learn. You can start this month with charts. You can start next month with SEC filings. You can start the following month after that with fundamentals. All these things, you want to be working towards getting a little smarter, faster, stronger every day. And you can do that with a $100 account. Can you get rich with it? Probably not today. Probably not next month, but you can get smarter and you can learn today with that small account to set you up for next year when you've grown that account and you start trading that bigger size. Last thing I want to focus on is going back to the previous step of learning every day. I want to give you a couple great resources. I'm very proud of the Steady Trade podcast. You can go to SteadyTrade.com. Also, you can go up to the search bar in YouTube, type in Steady Trade. You'll find all of our podcast episodes. Very proud of it. We've done, as of today, we've done over 100 episodes. If you're watching this down the road, we've done even more. It's a great free resource that you can listen to while you're at work. You can listen to while you're on the road, on the treadmill. We're on iTunes, we're on YouTube. Take advantage of it. It's really a passion project of mine, and I think it's a great way to get better and smarter, lowering your cost. It's free. The other thing, check out the StocksToTrade.com blog. Tons and tons of articles. I think we usually put out 3 or 4 a week, and they go over everything. Books to buy, psychology, potential trade setups, technical indicators. We go through it all on the blog. So don't forget to check that out as another great free resource. Read all those articles, okay? If you've got that small account, you gotta have passion, you gotta wanna get after it. Read every one of them, listen to every podcast while you're building that account. So drop me a comment below. Are you trading with a $100 account or smaller? Or what size are you trading with? And have you found success? Now, what I want you to focus on is have that right mindset, long term. I want you to focus on learning before you earn. So drop me a comment below. Are you trading within a small account? And how's it going for you? Thanks for watching our video. Be sure to comment below with any trading related question. We love answering your questions. Also, like and share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe to be notified as soon as our next video hits. And if you're looking to expand your trading knowledge, don't forget to check out all of our other videos, and be sure to click the trial below. Check out StocksToTrade. I think it is one of the best, most rapidly advancing softwares out there. Be sure to check out our trial.